Hope you got your Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul one-liners ready, because today we're driving 300 miles south of Denver and heading over to Taos, New Mexico for another ski day. Alright guys, like I said, we're skiing at Taos today. We're already pretty much off to the worst start of the ski season that we've ever had yet. A bunch of the lifts aren't running because it's super windy out today. Whoa! And there's actually one that just malfunctioned before we get into the main lift down below us that we couldn't get on. Otherwise, we were going to try to go to the other side of the mountain. But we're just going to try to play it by ear today. Try to get as many runs in as we can as far as like quality goes. The snow isn't the greatest, but I mean, everything is still pretty much covered. There's one worker that we talked to just before jumping on the lift, and there was a guy next to her that asked, has she ever seen a lift line this long before? And she was like, oh yeah. And I figured maybe it'd be like a couple months ago or maybe a few weeks. And she said like 6 years. So it's a packed day, not the greatest conditions out here, but we're gonna make the best of it. Nice to meet you. So we've basically been staying in this bowl off of lift 2 since everything else is kind of not running for the day. Still able to get a couple good runs in. There's a bunch of off-piste stuff too that you can kind of hike up to, which is really nice. But we're just gonna be sticking around this area. There's a bunch of good runs around here, so we're just gonna kind of make the most of it. But it's still another day on the ski slope, so let's just keep enjoying it.
Sick and tired of feeling, so sick and tired of feeling, 'cause I always wake up. Sick and tired of believing that this pain will never end. Oh, I've had enough. Cause it always comes back again, and I'm not even gonna pretend that it's okay. Constantly putting bad thoughts on replay. I really don't like living life this way, but I know that these things will never change. Tell myself to breathe in.
So we just got word that the whole front side is locked down because of the wind. There's like 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. So we're over at the Kachina Basin. So we're pretty much kind of stuck on this side unless we want to go back over, but then we can't get back over here. So the last run of the day is going to be over that way, but for now we're just going to stick over here and just kind of make do. right, you guys, so we're pretty much gonna wrap it up for the day. We stuck around Kachina Basin for a little while, did a couple runs back here. It was still a really good day. Beautiful out, like I said. Bluebird day, just that damn wind that wouldn't go away. This is still a fun one. I would definitely come back. Maybe plan on next year coming back more on like a powder weekend or just timing it out better. But I would still highly recommend you guys coming up here and checking this place out. It's a beautiful area. I mean, Taos, the town itself, is pretty sweet to go to. But the girl and I are actually staying at the Pueblo Lodge, downtown Taos. And they have a fireplace there in our room. My toes are so frozen right now from all this wind, so I just can't wait to get back. Break open a bottle of wine with the girl, maybe have a good little dinner here tonight. This one's gonna wrap it up for the day, but if you like this video and you want to see more like it, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.